So in the last video, I showed you the easiest possible way to solve quadratic equations. But the issue was that I gave you only examples where you had positive signs. Today, I'm going to be showing you what to do when you have negative and positive like this, positive and negative, then negative and negative. Let's start with this first one. So here you have 32. Look for two numbers that you multiply that will give you 32. You could have 4 and 8 and 16 and 2. But you also add them to give you 12. There's no way 16 and 2 can ever give you 12, so you get rid of it. Now, when you've gotten these numbers for this type where you have minus and plus, this is your answer. No need to put any sign. So for this one, do not put minus. Don't put minus. This is your answer. Once you've gotten the numbers like this, that's all you need. So that's for the first one. Second one now. For the second one, again, we take this constant term here. Two numbers that can give us 10 will multiply. 10 and 1, 5 and 2. Now, which one will give us 3? 10 and 1 will not give us 3. So we get rid of 10 and 1. 5 and 2 will give us 3. But for this one that you have plus and minus, where do you put the sign? You put the sign on the bigger number. The bigger number here is 5. So you put the sign on 5. So the root to this equation or equations of this type is done this way. You find your numbers and put the sign on the bigger one. All right, the third one now. Now for this third example, again, we go to the constant term. What two numbers can give us 24 when we multiply? We have 2 and 12. We have 3 and 8. We have 6 and we have 4. Okay, I ignore 24 and 1 because it's not going to give us 5. That's very obvious. So get this out of the way. 2 and 12 is not going to give you 5. 3 and 8 can give you 5. But let's check 6 and 4 is not giving you 5. So definitely our numbers we need at this one, 3 and 8. So for this one, where you have minus and you have minus, put the negative sign on the smaller number. Okay, so let's do recap. So when you have minus and plus, you don't give any of them minus sign. When you have plus and minus, the bigger number gets the negative sign. When you have both minus, the smaller number gets the negative sign. If you've enjoyed this, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in another video.